Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be conducting a character study of Bugs Bunny from Looney Tunes. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study forms. For today's artistry trivia, who created Looney Tunes at Warner Bros. And hired two former Disney animators to create the initial series of cartoons in the early 1930s? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let us start with the head. Try identifying the line of action and breaking the whole form into smaller, more basic shapes. Let us draw the legs which will join to the body. Draw the body using basic shapes again. Remember to always keep the proportions in check. After that, one hand of the Bugs Bunny is on his waist, so draw it accordingly. Drawing in basic shapes help us in breaking down the subject or the object we are drawing. His other hand is close to his body too. You should always remember that when we come across different characters, they are all made up to different shapes. So while breaking the characters, keep that in mind. We have video on our page where we create our own characters using the body type of the character Maui from Moana. It is very informative video where we talk about shape language, so go check it out. Now draw in the ears of the Bugs Bunny. Now once you are done with the sketch, start with the details. This basic sketch provides us with the blueprint to add details. Drawing these basic shapes which build up the character help us in understanding the character better, and later we can change the costume and details according to our wish. Now after baying the details, erase the sketch lightly and then start with the final lines. This is one of the final stages, so take your time and darken the lines. Overlapping lines are important, which give it the 3D feel, so pay close attention to that. Darkening the lines is not just about making them darker, it's about completing the sketch with thin and thick lines when and where needed. It gives more symphony and balance to the sketch. Once you are done with finals details, let's move on towards coloring the sketch. Color in the shadows as well. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Looney Tunes was created by a team at Warner Bros., spearheaded by producer Leon Schlesinger. Schlesinger hired animators Hugh Harman and Rudolph Ising, who were former Disney animators, to create the initial series of cartoons in the early 1930s. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.